Hey guys, Eric Roberts, Music City Trader here, coming from Nashville, Tennessee, talking about binary options and pocket option for beginners. I'm going to give you guys just an overview really quick of the layout of this, and then, if you want my private strategy, all you have to do, it's free. Click in the description of this video for instructions on how to sign up through Telegram and how to use my affiliate link to get a free account plus a bonus 50% when you sign up for pocket option. It is all free. You don't have to put any money in there. Plus, what I love about it is you can demo trade on this all day and all night for years and years and years till you're really awesome. And when you're feeling right, you can put money in there and actually do stuff. I think I'm going to put this disclaimer on every video. This is for entertainment purposes only. You can lose your butt. You can lose all of your money on pocket option, on binary options, on any kind of trading. So please do not put a bunch of money in there and follow along with me and think it's going to be easy and think this is just some kind of quick way to make money. Please do not do that. Learn a strategy. Stay in demo until you absolutely know what you're doing. Do that, and also, this is for entertainment purposes only. I think I have to say that because of YouTube, and it is hopefully entertaining. When you look at Pocket Option and you can get your free trial down there, you can do, this is basically what you're going to see. You're going to open it up, and it's all this stuff. It looks confusing, but it's very user-friendly. This is a very good program. And so I'm going to go ahead and open it up. I'm going to lose some of this other stuff on the side because it's just my strategy. I'm going to kind of open this up a little bit and show you the whole thing. You have a call button, you have a put button, okay? And I'm going to put $1 in here just because I don't want to make too many trades during this video. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make a trade on this by clicking one of these buttons, so it'll show you me making a trade for 1 minute and whether I win or lose it. And let's see, I'm trying to think of what I would do here. I would probably just go ahead and call this up. And so that's my guess. On Google, what you have on Pocket Options, you click that button, you have your trade amount here, you have your purchase timer here, you have your strike price here. All of this is kind of confusing, but I will break it down for you in very, very simple terms in my step-by-step guide to Pocket Option. I have an online course for that, which you can get in the description. You have the trading dashboard here. You have currencies here. You have commodities. You can trade on currencies. You can trade on currency pairs, which I don't do as much anymore. You can trade stocks, commodities. But for my strategy, I just use stocks. And look at this. I'm going to win this trade. I am on a winning streak today. This is a great day. I'm just on a winning streak. I don't know why. It's $1 trade. I'm going to win this trade. And when I win this little timer over here shows me in my open trades. I can open this up, and it says I have 10 seconds left. I'm going to win $1.82. I bid $1. I'm going to have $1.82 when it's over. And when it tells me I win here in 2 seconds, we're going to say, and it's going to show up somewhere on my screen. It's going to pop up. There it is. Congrats, you've just earned $182 on Google. That's as easy as Pocket Options is. That's as easy it could be. It can be any easier than that. But you take your money, you put it in there, and you can click these buttons. Let's go over the interface a little bit. You see these lines here? These are my indicators. These are slow and long moving averages. I have a slow moving average at 6, a slow moving average at 14, and a slow moving average at 50. And so these are the 3 indicators that I use for my private strategy, for the strategy that I've created. And really, they're just there to help me understand what might come next. They don't really read the future. They read the past. They're not telling you what's coming in the future. They're telling you what's come in the past. And I'll talk more about that on my channel as I go, understanding these indicators. But these are moving averages. And when they cross or when they're moving a certain direction, I'm going to go ahead and make one more call right here. I've got 3 seconds before the candle ends. I'll make another $1 trade. Then we have the MACD down here and the stochastic. So those are the 3 that I use most of the time in my private strategy, and I try not to get myself too confused. I try not to look at this and think, what's going to happen, and get all weird. When I made this trade, it looks like I'm losing it. At this moment, you'll see it's red up here in this corner. Shows you that I'm losing this trade. Over here, I have 38 seconds left on the trade. Now I'm winning the trade. I like it when it turns green. It makes me feel happier. It doesn't make me get so nervous. Now it's getting close to that line. It's going to move around. I have 27 seconds. This is a, I don't know. I think I will win this trade. But these indicators can be changed. You can go into your candle minutes here. I use 1 minute candles most of the time. And you can go into these indicators. I have all kinds of indicators. And I am not, if you've heard my other channel videos, I am not an expert trader. In fact, Pocket Options is the first time that I was ever actually trading stocks. Look, I won that again. So it'll tell you I win. it was above my line, and I won. And that's my second win. Congratulations, you earned 180 on Google. So that's another win. So watch my other videos. Let me know in the description of this video. It's really key. What are you struggling with? What do you want to learn? When you look at pocket option, what are you thinking? Can I do this? What are you talking about? You can zoom out. You can look at this. Look how long this is. I love the way pocket option works. I really just love this program. It's what I use. I know there are other ones out there. I'm in the United States, so yes, you can do this in the United States. You can do binary options trading right here. You can put money in your account by going into your account. You can go finance, and it says, okay, you can deposit, withdrawal, or you can look at your history. Has all of those things. You can look at your profile. You can look at your achievements. You can look at chat. In this right-hand corner, we have a lot of interesting things. You can social trade. You can go here, and you can like look up people, and you can social trade with them. You can click here and say, copy trades. I can copy trades of my friends, or you could copy my trades. Now, I'm not so sure that I'm going to let anybody copy my trades at this moment. That's not really the focus of my channel. I know there are some YouTubers that kind of have made that their focus, where you can sign up and follow me, and so any trade I make, your account would make. But I'm going to teach you my private strategy called the 888 and my makeup strategy, which allows you to have up to at least eight makeup bids if you lose. So I was reading the book, I think it was called Call or Put, and the guy brilliantly went through all of these different strategies. And one strategy that sort of rang true to me was, if you have enough makeup bids, then you can never lose. In other words, if you can keep making up bids that you lose, pretty soon you're going to win. So it isn't like, some people will say to me, that's like gambling, but it's not, because you're actually using indicators and skill to actually win. Okay, so if I just came into my office, and I've talked to my buddy about this, my trading partner, a bunch. If I just walked in here and started hitting red, green, red, green, red, green over and over again, just randomly, that would be like gambling, right? That would be like gambling. But I'm not doing that. I'm actually going in specifically, looking at my indicators, using intuition. And I hate to say that, but a lot of times I'm using my own thought process of what's going to happen. I'm looking back at history. That's what stock traders do. They look back at history. They see where support and resistance are. They see different patterns in the candles, et cetera, et cetera. Now, I didn't show you this, but you can go in here and draw lines in here. You can draw a horizontal line. You can draw some resistance lines. It's brilliant. You can draw a vertical line. You could say, okay, I don't use vertical lines, but you could draw a vertical line. I don't use them yet. I'm not saying I wouldn't use them. And I use trend lines mostly. You can say, look, this is a trend that's growing up, and it's been growing up for a while. I think it's going to keep going up. So you can, I don't really think that, but I'm just saying you can think that, or you can go back here. Let's go back to some of this other, like back here. You could say, oh wow, look at this. Look at this. This was up here, and then it went all the way down here. It kind of rode above these candles. You can just make lines, and then you can delete lines. You can do that all day, and that does help me. In my strategy, I don't use a lot of lines anymore, but as I was learning through different strategies, I did use lines, and I appreciated that. Pocket option has a really good drawing interface available. So, I didn't even know this was on here. Wow, this is amazing. Can we actually look at two charts? I've never even clicked this. Wow. Now, okay, pocket option. Was this a new update or something? I'm really confused. I did not know you could do this. You can literally. Okay, pocket option. Okay, there you go. You're rocking it there, pocket option. So look at that. You can open up different ones. You can have bids on all of these. Now, this is really something you don't need, but I think this is a new button because I've never hit that button before. And it looks like this one has your main. This one doesn't have your indicators, so you don't need to do all that. That looks crazy. You know what I mean? Don't get too crazy. In my strategy, I focus on one chart at a time, and I make one bid at a time. Like I said, put in the comments what you want to know about pocket option. I have done thousands and thousands of bids. I have talked for thousands of hours with my trading partner. We have created spreadsheets and strategies, and I'm just kind of giving you the intro to Pocket Option here, just using the program. You can always start for free. Just click in the link in this description if you want to, and you sign up through my affiliate link. I will give you free access to all of my training because you're using an affiliate link through Pocket Option. That way, it doesn't cost you anything to start, and it does help support my channel when you use my affiliate link. Now, if you already have a Pocket Option account and you don't want to hassle with like closing it and starting a new one under my affiliate link, then that's fine. You can Venmo or PayPal me a small amount of entry fee, and then you'll get my private option Telegram channel, and you'll be right along with me trading as I'm going to be growing this. This is the demo account that I'll be growing on this channel over the next couple weeks, and implementing my 888 strategy. And when I call it I should say our, because there's no way I could have done this alone. There's no way I would have continued this. This is my partner and I, trading partner, best friend from high school. We have been working on this together, and so it's just a phenomenal strategy. It's taken us a lot of time. I put a little bit of money in there. I've lost a little bit of money. I made a little money. I lost a little money, and then made a little money. And it just hasn't really, until I started this strategy, it hasn't really caught on. I mean, I've tried a lot of different stuff. I've watched a ton of YouTube videos. I've tried to learn all these indicators, and it comes down to having 888. So you have this 888 strategy I'm going to talk about in my private group, but you have to have a trading strategy that protects your account. So a makeup strategy, and you have to have a bidding strategy, how you're going to make your bids, and you have to settle in. And that's why I can look at these charts now and I can feel confident about what I'm going to do, how I'm going to do it, and what's going to happen if I lose, and it doesn't make me nervous. You want to bid and do that like in Pocket Options and actually make money and really be successful at it, which is what I'm trying to do and doing. Then join me in Telegram. Just send me a message, let me know. And that's it for today's video. God bless you guys. Thanks. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you get every video and you can see what I'm doing this next couple weeks.